All right, it's getting a little late. I gotta get going. So what I've done today is not a whole lot. I did put the upper ball joints on and the bumpers on my upper control arms. So that's done. And then I made assembled the tie rods. Um, so old one, new one, and that's the right side. Old one and new one, and that's the left side. Um, so tomorrow I'll start kind of putting the frame together and the tie rods and other items together as well. So we'll see how that goes. There is some cleaning I need to do. The shims for the upper control arms were rusted. So, and then the parts I'm going to clean soak tonight and then bring with me tomorrow morning, which should be just enough time. And that's it. So I'm gonna keep working.